Welcome, friends. Day 21. Loving yourself now. Through mirror work, you discover that you are perfect just as you are, and that loving yourself can heal every problem. Congratulations, dear ones. This is the last day of your 21-day adventure in mirror work. It has brought you closer to discovering one of the biggest treasures of your life, the gift of loving yourself. This was not an easy journey, I know. There were a few bumps and stumbling blocks along the way, but you stuck with it. I am so very proud of you. Throughout this journey, you have used your mirror work to help you examine your self talk, quiet your inner critic, forgive those who have hurt you, let go of past fears, and release old beliefs and negative thought patterns. In doing so, you have opened a storehouse of treasure within you. My wish for you is to always remember that there is one thing that heals every problem, and that is to love yourself. When you start to love yourself more each day, it's amazing how your life will get better. You will feel better. You will get the job you want. You will have the money you need. Your relationships will improve, and the negative ones will dissolve, and new ones will appear. Although you have completed this course, your mirror work has only just begun. It is something for you to practice every day. You will most likely encounter more bumps and even a few detours as you continue the journey. But you will be ready. You will be able to pick yourself up, look into your mirror, and remind yourself that you are worth loving. You are perfect just as you are. You deserve all the goodies in life. You are a magnet for miracles. Carry your mirror with you. Keep reminding the beautiful person looking back at you that you love this person with all your heart. Let's affirm: when I express love towards myself and everyone I meet, that love comes right back to me. In my afterword, I will leave you with a list of 12 ways you can love yourself now. Let them serve as reminders of the good work you have done over the past 3 weeks. And remember, I love you. Your day 21 mirror play exercise. Go to the mirror and look at the beautiful person looking back at you. Raise your arms and give yourself a big cheer for finishing this course. Say these affirmations: I love you, darling. I really love you. You did it. You completed this course. I am so proud of you. You can do anything you set up your mind to. Take time to express your gratitude for all the work you have done. Say these affirmations: thank you for hanging in there. Thank you for being open to learning something new. I really love you. Make a commitment to continue your mirror play. Say, I will see you tomorrow, gorgeous. We will discuss other areas that I would like to change. I love you. You are worth loving. You deserve only the best. The power is within you. Your day 21 journaling exercise. First, review your journal from the beginning of the course. Go through each lesson and congratulate yourself for all the work you have done. Second, write down the areas where you have progressed the most. Write down the sum of the problems areas where you could use more work. Third, go back and repeat the lessons in which you feel you need more guidance from your mirror. 4. If you like, share comments about this course on my Facebook page www.facebook.com/louiselhay. Fifth, now go play with your inner child. Your heart thought for day 21. We are all part of the harmonious whole. Remember, you are part of a community of people all over the globe who are working to make this a better world. We have come together at this time because there is something we need to learn from one another. It is safe for us to work on loving ourselves so that we may benefit and grow from this experience. We choose to work together to create harmony in our relationships and in every area of our lives. Divine right action is guiding us every moment of the day. We say the right words at the right time and follow the right course of action at all times. Each person is part of the harmonious whole. There is a divine blending of energies as we work joyfully together, supporting and encouraging one another in ways that are fulfilling and productive. We are healthy, happy, loving, joyful, respectful, supportive, and at peace with ourselves and with one another. So be it, and so it is. Your day 21 meditation, a world that is safe. We have touched on many things in the past 21 days. We have talked about negative things and positive things. We have talked about fears and frustrations. Many of us still do not trust ourselves to take care of ourselves, and we feel lost and lonely. Yet we have been working on ourselves for some time and have noticed that our lives are changing. Lots of problems in the past aren't problems anymore. It doesn't change overnight, but if we are persistent and consistent, positive things do happen. So let's share the energy we have and the love we have with other people. Know that as we give from our hearts, we are also receiving from other hearts. Let's open our hearts so that we can take in everyone with love, support, and caring. Let's move that love to people in the street we have who have no homes and no place to go. Let's share our love with those who are angry, frightened, or in pain. Let's send love to the people who are in the process of leaving the planet and those who have already left. Let's share our love with everybody, whether they accept it or not. Let's hold the entire planet in our hearts, the animals, the vegetation, and all the people. The people we are angry at or frustrated with, those who are not doing things our way, and those who are expressing so called evil. Let's take them into our hearts too, so that from a feeling of safety they can begin to recognize who they really are. See peace breaking out all over the planet. Know that you are contributing to that peace right now. Rejoice that you have the ability to do something positive to help. Acknowledge how wonderful you are. Know that it is the truth of you, and so it is. This is for day 21 meditation.